have a treat for you guys today. This is the Morrison model with Providence homes here in Mariposa and EverRange in Duval County. So don't let that confuse you because I handle all of Northeast Florida. But this floor plan completely blew my mind and I can't wait to show you guys because the architecture and the design are just je ne sais quoi. I can't wait to show you. You guys want to see it? Come on. Oh.
Hey Debbie, come on in.
Well, we have a special guest. Let's go with Sarah. Okay, so before we go inside, I have to do a proper introduction. This is Sarah.
Hi.
Sarah is on my team and we are ready to help you guys through this entire process. And also, I always show you guys my favorite things, but today we're gonna see some of Sarah's favorite things as well, because I absolutely love this home and I think I'm biased at this point. So I have to have someone else's opinion because it is beautiful and the tones are beautiful. Now, first look, because she did get a glance, what do you think? Like, do you think it's a 9 out of 10, a 10 out of 10, or a 3 out of 10?
I don't think it's 3 out of 10.
Okay.
Definitely not.
Okay.
So they should make the judgment for themselves.
Okay, fine.
Let's go.
Come on. I'm not gonna just scroll past even the front door without mentioning the arches.
That's exactly what I was thinking.
I love them. I love how like it's bringing it back, but it's not too narrow like it was back in the 2000s when you were born. But it's absolutely beautiful and it just has a lot of different design to it that I've never seen anyone do before. It says I have to give you my reaction on this room. So we'll just walk in real fast. We'll just close our eyes. Okay, this is cool. Oh, okay. So they flooded the entire room. One of my favorite colors. So I love like this green. Wow, my eyes are almost green too. But love this. Now this isn't standard. I mean, I'm sure standard is gonna have this all closed off, but this is like a little bar moment. So a little, if you're looking for a media room, music room, or a little speakeasy in your own house, this is really cute. You guys will get to see at the end the full thing, but great find, great find. We really love the design choices, not only for the countertops, and of course we know they're upgrades, but I think one thing that is hands down someone's favorite when the primary is on the bottom floor, having the laundry room down here as well is, I mean, it takes the cake, because if you have to walk upstairs, I don't want to do a whole entire workout just to do the laundry that I don't want to do to begin with. And now I can have different excuses than it being upstairs.
Wait, Jeff.
This primary. Okay, one, there's so much room. This is a living room size.
Yeah, I really can have a dance party.
Started early. No, this is so pretty, and this bay window over here. I mean, I would join you guys. Cup of coffee, read a book. Sarah, sit down with me. Let's get comfy. See, this could be you, but you're watching me on YouTube right now. You should call me and maybe then we can make this you. But let's do the math. Oh, okay. Interesting. I'm seeing so many oh, hold on. You guys, hold on. I'm not ready for all this. Okay. So first, I haven't seen this kind of cutout for a shower in a long time. I think they did really well with it. Oh, you enter in there?
Yeah, you enter here.
Oh,
On the side.
enter in the side. Huh. And these, the arches. Hold on, you guys can't see because again, I'm short. And they did it on both. Look. Oh my gosh, the closet's in between. Okay. Yep. And the closet's in between. Okay, this is one thing that I think all people should do is, one, get closet like organization, 100%. It'll save your life. I'm telling you, I literally hate my closet and can't wait to redo it, but we may be moving in the next 2 years. So I don't know if it's worth it right now, but having this, like I could just shut her in here. Done. But no, that's not the reason. The reason really is because I love to make sure my shower is not mildewing my clothes. I don't know about you, but I don't want to smell like wet laundry. And so let's not do that. And let's make sure that the closets and the clothes are far away from the shower. I'm going to back up into this kitchen and this living room area because it's so beautiful. I can't look directly at it. So you guys are gonna have to do it for me. Isn't it beautiful? Look at it. And then they also have a light that looks like those bracelets when we were kids. Can I still back up? Let's see if I run into anything. Oh, I'm doing pretty good. I'm good at this. I got rear view mirrors like Tomater. This is where all the snacks go. That's as far as the snacks go. But this is so pretty. And again, natural light, natural light. You have your dining room area over here where it's not too close to your kitchen, which is so nice, but then great for entertainment. And then over here, your living room. I mean, Christmas tree over by the olive tree, or keep the olive tree because I'm a huge olive tree fan. Keep it all year long. So pretty. Well done, Providence, man. So we're upstairs in the bonus room, and oh my goodness. Again, another thing I like, no one's sharing like major walls. Now, you have one bedroom right when you get off of the stairs, right here. Again, natural light. You have the bathroom right here, full bath. And then you have another bedroom right here. And then of course, for that older child that needs that ensuite, their own personal space in this beautiful natural light, it could be my room, why not? I like to collect rooms, by the way, but this is beautiful. It's so nice. And then they have their own ensuite with their own shower. And I'm sure, honestly, to be completely honest, I'm pretty sure that that's gonna come with a tub standard, but you can't upgrade it to the shower where you could have a full shower instead, especially for our older kids, which they'll probably want that because you already do have your tub insert upstairs. Sarah just made a really good point that I think you guys would want to hear.
None of the rooms really feel that small. They're all really open. They have the natural light, which we are both very biased and love. But no, sometimes you go in and the rooms feel small, but none of these do. The really high ceilings really help, and I just love it. It's good.
There she is. I train her so well. And I did just want to make a quick side note. This is actually your attic access, so it's on your second floor. I know everyone always typically asks about that. You guys don't see that at this level of service. Look at this. Look at this teamwork right here. Now, if you really want to live the Florida lifestyle and do the outside and deck it out like these, model homes do, I mean, look at this. A fire pit over here. One, they're missing the pool, but honestly, you have this beautiful pond view. I don't know how you guys are like. Put me in the comments and just tell me, do you like water view? Do you like preserve view? Do you like backing up to your neighbor to high five and have a good barbecue night? What do you guys prefer? Do you like corner lots? Do you like ones that are enclosed? I don't know. I'm just curious. What do you guys like? Since we're talking about the heat for a second. Okay, did you know that Providence Homes is one of the few that do the spray foam installation? No joke, they have a little bunny that they put inside your attic. I don't know if it's real chocolate or not. I haven't tested it out. But they put that in there and say that, oh, he won't melt because it's so cool in here. It's hot outside. So I'm just letting you know, if you could save on your energy bill with how hot it is, it's really cool that Providence does offer that. And by the way, did you know that it's open cell? That may not mean anything to you. That may go a little over your head. I'm here to explain it. Open cell helps with if there's any holes in your roof, so you're able to see that water damage, where other ones that don't have the open cell option, what ends up happening is it ends up just sitting there and staying there and creating different issues down the road, possibly mold issues, especially with all that moisture there. But they do have open cell so that if there is any, intrusion on your roof, you're able to see it, get it fixed, get it handled, and no mold growth. Now, I don't go outside twice in a video for just anybody, but you guys special. Actually, I want to show you this garage. It's much bigger than you actually would expect it to be. So one, there's only 2 single doors. Don't know how I feel about that. That's just a personal preference, but it's very deep. So you have this little nook piece over here, and then you have this nook piece over here, which is great because you're in a golf cart community. You're gonna need one. It's hot in this garage, but this is beautiful. It's a lot of space, and they finished their garages. Thank God. That's not working, whatever it is. It's hot. It's very hot. We're gonna go back inside, you guys. I have to say, besides from ICI Homes, I think Providence Homes totally took the cake on this one in Mariposa. I think they did a beautiful job. I mean, just the accents that they have, the arched doorways, or the color palette that they use with the greens and the neutral tones, they knocked it out of the park. I mean, at least they have a side of my heart. I don't know about you guys, but I just want to take a quick break before we do that entire walkthrough of this beautiful house. You can see all the details. But before we take an entire tour of the house and you find your own favorite features, I definitely want to just come on here and just say, if you have not already liked and subscribed and want to get all the tea on St. Johns County and Northeast Florida, because we are currently in Duval County, I am here. I'm here to be your resource, your guide, and also to possibly help you grow roots here in Northeast Florida. My name is Demi Judd. I'm a local mom and realtor in the area that has a passion for helping people truly find home here, not just a house, but but a community, a network. And that's what I'm here for. And I want to make sure you guys have all the facts before making your final decision, because relocating can be very overwhelming, even if it's down the block or from Alaska maybe, or overseas. We have no idea, or maybe just even from New York or the other side of the country. It's a big move and it's a big decision, and making sure you have the right person on your side to help you through that is probably the most important step to take. But let's go ahead and do that walkthrough. Welcome to the Morrison. Now, the Morrison is a brand new floor plan with Providence that is located here in Mariposa in EverRange. Now, this is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath home with a 3.5 car tandem garage, which I will show you guys. It's pretty amazing. Has a lot of space for all the storage you need. I'm sure you're gonna miss your basements, but we won't have them. But we do give you the opportunity to have all this space. Now, this is over 3,000 square feet. To be exact, it's 3,335 square feet. Now, upstairs, you will see where your 3 bedrooms are and a loft. But downstairs, you'll have your primary, a 5th bedroom, that is that speakeasy room that you guys ended up seeing, and then also your family room that's huge and open with a covered pavilion as well. It's absolutely amazing. This home did a great job with its mudroom in the front, so I think that it's very good for utilization for guests to come in, while also being functional for a family that just doesn't want to feel like they're in super close quarters. Because again, none of those walls do touch each other, which is one of my favorite things. So everyone has their own privacy, everyone has their own space, and the rooms don't feel cramped at all. They're absolutely beautiful. And just the design choices that they put throughout this is phenomenal. And I know you guys are gonna love so many things throughout this. So please let me know. Make sure you give a like to the video so we can make more content and video just like this. But I always get asked this question, and we're gonna talk about it when we go upstairs. So a popular question that I'm typically asked is about Duval County to St. Johns County. Now, EverRange is located in Duval County, and so a lot of people are so concerned with the school systems, which by all means, I understand. I'm a parent myself, and I wanna make sure that my kids are taken care of, especially when it comes to the education system, because I'm sure you're relocating to the area because of the top school district that St. Johns County offers. And of course, my channel is living in St. Johns County. But there's amazing opportunities in Duval County as well. There's a gray area, and that's exactly where we're at. So we are actually located in this area just north of St. Johns County. We are on that Duval County, St. Johns County line. Now, you have to think of things done on a bigger scale. So just because maybe St. Johns County is ranked higher than Duval County does not discredit where Duval County is as a school system. There are some pretty amazing schools here, and I've asked personally a lot of families who live in Duval County, and they have great experiences. There are amazing academies that even, just so you know, some Nocatee people are zoned for Duval County and have that opportunity to be able to attend those schools, those academies, and their kids are honestly thriving, just so you're aware. But I love to give that little tip because I feel like so many people are really hit or miss or do or die with the different counties. But to be completely transparent, I have people who have absolutely loved both counties just as much, and some other ones that are located here in Northeast Florida. There are some great schools that are in the area. I highly recommend doing your research, getting on those moms' pages and finding out those information, while also go ahead and call the schools. I've had people set up appointments where they meet the schools, meet the teachers, meet the principal, and kind of get a good eye ahead of the game before waiting to apply for the schools. I honestly hope you guys had fun through that walkthrough because we had an amazing time, and I just think that they just did such a good job with some of the details. I'm curious, what was your favorite? Do you like bringing back this design, or do you wish that there was a little bit more color? Are you a gray fan? Are you a dark wood fan? Yes, I have a client who's obsessed with dark wood, and we all have our opinions, but I'm curious about yours too. Now, I don't only help with new construction homes, I help with resale homes. My honest goal is to help you relocate to the area, whether you're ready in 2 weeks or 2 years. This is a big decision to be relocating to a whole new state or even just down the road. And having the right representation is probably the biggest decision to make, like I mentioned before. Now, my name is Demi Judd. I'm a born and raised local, I'm not kidding you, from downtown St. Augustine. I was born in the hospital. That's where I was raised till I was 8, and then we moved a little bit closer to the Nocatee area, but it wasn't existed by then. I can tell you the history of the town, the present to the town, and even the future developments that are going to be happening. And actually, I love to share them here on my channel. So if you haven't already liked and subscribed, I'd love for you to be part of the community and to honestly help you build roots in the end. But again, my name is Demi Judd. I will see you guys in the next video.